one of the theorems states that the angles at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Now, in order to understand this proof, you need to know some basic algebra and the fact that the angles in the circle add up to be 360, angles in the triangle add up to be 180, and isosceles triangles has two equal sides, two equal angles. Okay, so let's start with the circle and find the center. Let's have an angle at the center, and then we have an angle at the circumference. Now, let's name those vertices. Call the center O. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to join A and O together, and then as you can see, we actually have ABO, triangle ABO, and triangle AOC over here, with sides the same as the radius of the circle. So since they are radius, all of them are the same, we can see that angle ABO actually is an isosceles triangle, and the same goes with AOC. Now if we call this X, since they are both isosceles triangle, so the angle ABO must be also X. And if we call this Y, the angle OCA must be also Y. And let's try to work out what the angle of BOA going to be, and also the angle AOC going to be. We're going to use the fact that the angles in the triangle add up to be 180 degrees. With two of the angle known already, to find the missing one, we just need to take away those two angles from 180. So 180 take away 2x. The same goes with angle AOC, which is 180 take away 2y. Now let's try to work out what angle BOC is, which is the angle at center. We're going to use the fact that the angles in the circle add up to be 360. So again, you can see two angle is known, and we are looking for the other missing one. We have to take away those two angles, which is BOA, the other one which is AOC, from 360. Now let's rearrange, simplify that. So 360 take away 180 plus 2x minus 180 plus 2y. So why is it like that? Because you're taking away the bracket, so minus minus makes plus. The same goes with plus 2y. Now let's simplify that. 360 take away 180, take away another 180, that will cancel out, which will leave you with 2x and plus 2y. And if we factorize that, it would become, take the 2 out, it will become 2 bracket x plus y. Now what is x plus y in this case? If we look up here, in fact it's the angle BAC, which is 2 times the angle of BAC, which is the angle at the circumference, which concludes our proof.